Interior and Local Government has launched the Ugnayan ng Barangay at Simbahan or UBAS in Central Luzon, covering the 3 provinces of Pampanga, Bataan, and Zambales. Joanano tells us why.
In its advocacy to fight corruption, the Department of Interior and Local Government has launched the Ugnayan ng Barangay at Simbahan or UBAS in Central Luzon, covering 3 provinces of Pampanga, Bataan, and Zambales. UBAS is composed of various religious groups and local government units which aim to counter corruption through public monitoring to ensure proper spending of local funds, particularly in projects under bottom-up budgeting or BOB.
Para po may pagpatuloy ito, ang susunod nating hakbang ay makapagbuo po ng technical working group sa mga rehiyon, probinsya, syudad at munisipyo. Magkaroon din ng barangay action team sa bawat barangay na tutuluan sa kaalaman sa tamang proseso ng pag-monitor ng mga projects ng gobyerno.
The organization will primarily focus on DILG's grassroots participatory budgeting process, a program that authorizes constituents to choose specific projects to spend public funds on. Under the GPBP, non-government organizations and the constituents will help to identify projects that will alleviate poverty in cities and municipalities. On Tuesday, a memorandum of agreement has been signed by various sectors to sustain the UBAS project of DILG, wherein Members Church of God International is among the signatories.
Ito ay tinitignan po natin na ang simbahan ay nakatutulong ng malaki sa pamamagitan ng paghubog, lalo na sa mga kabataan po, at gayon din naman sa ating mga kababayan na nakakakita ng impluwensya ng simbahan kung ano man ang mabuti ay nagagawa nila. Kagaya nga po ng sinasabi po ni Brother Eli at ni Kuya Daniel Rason na kailangan nating maipagpatuloy yung paggawa ng mabuti na siyang refleksyon ng kung ano ang simbahang iyong kinakatawan.
DILG believes that religion and various sectors have significant contributions to ensure that government funds are not pocketed and will be spent only on projects beneficial to the public. Joanano reporting for Y News.